Today, I'm here in my city of Pleasanton, California. I'm so excited to tour my brand new listing located at 1125 Mills Court. I was on my way over, but my stager called to say she needed a couple of minutes. So I thought I would stop at Main Street, downtown Pleasanton, to grab a cup of coffee right here at my favorite coffee shop of Inklings. Now that I got my coffee, I'm so excited to take this tour. I just got a call from my partner, Eddie. He said 1125 Mills Court is ready for us. Let's take a tour.
Hey, Kajal, come on in. They just left. They got all the staging done and the house is looking beautiful.
Awesome. Let's take a look. What do you think of the house?
You know, I love it, and we both know many buyers out there, they're looking for a bedroom and a bathroom downstairs, and it has that right next to the kitchen.
Yes, absolutely. And it also has a formal living, formal dining,
that's right,
a family room, and a breakfast nook.
Beautiful property.
Very functional. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath executive home in the desirable Ironwood Classics neighborhood offers 2,746 square feet of living space. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout, large granite kitchen with gas range, double ovens, and stainless steel appliances. It also has a walk-in pantry, plus a spacious family room with a gas fireplace and built-in entertainment cabinet. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious master suite with ridge views, a walk-in closet, dual vanity in the bathroom with a sunken tub. It's a perfect space to end your busy day. The lushly landscaped backyard with easy care lawn, beautiful arbor, and significant side yard with storage shed is perfect for outdoor dining and entertainment. Solar panels make this home very energy efficient. Attached 3-car garage, close to award-winning schools, association pool, playground, greenbelt surround this beautiful home. Thank you so much for taking the tour. Please reach out with any questions and we'll see you at the next one.
Bye-bye.